So today I am going to cover the yum repository, yum servers. Okay? Installation. How we install the softwares in Linux servers. How we install the software in Windows servers. How we install it.
Just download the software from, or you just download the software from like online, or like from when you run the software.
Download the
Software from internet. Or
forget about the download, man. How we install it?
Yes.
What file we need?
Setup.
Dot .exe.
exe file, yeah.
Dot .exe. Dot .mxi. Right? This is the extension files we need to install in our software in our Windows server. Right? Like if you want to install the Firefox, you later chat with your girlfriend later.
That's too good, man. That's him who's texting me.
So,
Tell him to stop.
if you want to install the Firefox, so you will download the firefox.exe. Then you run next, the package is installed. So, you guys have noticed I am using Vim. You guys don't have Vim in your, right? So these are the packages you need to install. How we install the packages in Linux? First, the package name is Linux is start with the RPM. .rpm. RPM stands for Red Hat Package Manager. So whatever we are installing here in the Linux, it has to be RPM. So there is two ways to install it, the software in Linux, but the standard way, Red Hat way or Linux way is the .rpm. Okay? So .rpm, the file we need to install the .rpm, that is the file. So what happens when we install any package in our system? What happens if I install Firefox in my system, like any software in my system, Microsoft Word? Basically, what happened in the system?
It gonna put the files in some locations.
Very good.
It's going to store.
So basically, what it's doing?
Yeah.
It's extracting and pushing some files in some location,
Yes.
and it will creating all the shortcuts, blah 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 blah, and it's starting. Right? So in Red Hat, it's same thing. Red Hat file, whatever it comes, when you install it, it will copy or push or extract some file in the system. So whatever the commands you are using in your Red Hat, ls command, pwd command, lspci, whatever the command we use, and next tags, route, it is belongs to a specific package. Right? So basically it is all the RPMs. So first I will show you how to check which package belongs to which command belongs to which package. Okay? So what are the commands we have? Like I said, like a ls. ls is a command, right? Where the ls resides? ls resides under bin, right? So I will say rpm hyphen q query. RPM is the command to work with the RPMs. Okay? RPM is the command to work with the RPMs. So RPM hyphen QF, give me the file name, which bin ls. It belongs to which package? ls command belongs to which package? So I gave you the RPM. Hey RPM, I want to check my ls commands belongs to which package. RPM goes with the multiple options. RPM is the main command. It goes with the multiple options. If you want to install any package in your system, you are using RPM command, but different option. If you want to uninstall some packages from your system, you are using RPM with the different option. if you want to check your commands belongs to which RPM, you are using the same RPM command with the different options, right? So basically you are using only one command with the different option. Same with the networking, right? If you want to check with the default route, what option you are using? The netstart is the command. You are using RN is the option. And netstart is if you want to check the network errors, netstart -I. If you want to check what are the ports running in your system, netstart -APN, right? Same command with the different option. So here in Unix, same command but different option for different purposes. Okay? So what it tells us? RPM-QF. It will tell you the which RPM it belongs to. Now I want to check RPM-QF. PWD is the command, right? This belongs to which command? Core utils. LS is also belongs to same package, and core PWD command is also belongs to same package. Same package means same RPM file, same installation file. Okay? So I have a netstart command, right? Where is my netstart is reside? Which? How can I check where is it resides? Which netstart? So RPM-QF bin. What is the command I need? netstart tools. Right? netstart tool is the package I need. So if config, how can we check the IP address? So let's see where is it my if config resides. RPM-QF. Let me see, it belongs to which package? Same, net tools. Okay? Okay, now I want to check what are the commands, what are the files belongs to that package. Which package? Net tools. Okay, this is the package name. Again, so you're seeing the package, right? This is the package name, nettool is the package name.
But these are two different directories. One is bin and...
Yes. So it is, so if config is meant for the root, and netstart regular user can run it. So that's the reason it has in the bin. So it will installing in the different directories, but it belongs to same package. So what is this? netstart and then number. This is the package name. This is the major release. 1 is the major release, and 0.6 is the minor release. Right? This is called the major release and minor release, and -10 is the patch. Okay? And EL6 is the enterprise Linux 6, and x86_64 is the 64-bit architecture. How can I check the kernel version? What kernel is running in my system? uname-r. Okay? What is the command to check the which kernel version I am running in my system? uname-r. So you will see, this is the, again, this is the major release, right? 2 is the major release, 6 is the minor release, 0.32 is the patch, 0.32 is a patch, the minor release, and 3 is 856 is also patch, minor patch. Patch means, suppose I release some software. Okay, I release XYZ software, and whenever what happened,
there are any bugs, they release the patch.
yes, so you guys suppose I start release the internet, some browser, you are using it. But what happened whenever you are going Adobe side, so my browser is getting crashed. It is not compatible with Adobe Flash. Okay, you guys notice like a lot of Flash site, right? So my browser is flashing. So now customer complains, hey man, whenever we have a requirement, we have to use the Flash websites. Mine is not working. Then what I will do? Okay, I will fix that. I will release a patch for the specific customer. Then after installing, it will work. So patch is like if there is any bug means defect in your program. To fix that defect, you can release a patch and fix it. You don't have to change whole code.
Where do you get that patch?
From the vendor, whoever. So here from the Red Hat, right? Like Red Hat or CentOS. Okay, this is a release. Again, now I got the whole host name, right? I know all the package name. I want to see what are the files belongs to this package. Okay, what are the files? When I install this RPM, how many files get extracted? How many files copied in my file, in my system? How can I check? RPM-QL and net-tools. So many packages, so many files. But sure, this is like all the man pages. What is man pages? I will cover it today, later. But everything is going USR share, right? Like it is not fitting in my screen. So what I will do?
Less.
Type it to less. Now you will see as being DNS name, all these packages belongs to NetTools. So what is the command we are using here? Same RPM with -QL package name. It will tell you what are the files belongs to that package. Okay? Okay. Then suppose now I go to LSPCI, right? This command is helpful. RPM-QL, RPM-QL, these are the commands is very helpful. When it is helpful, when you're working, you want something is working in your one system, something is not working, it is complaining about the RPMs, you can find out what RPM is missing, running this command, and you can install it in the system is not working. So now we know how to check the command belongs to which RPM. We also know how to check, if you know the RPM, what are the files belongs to that RPM. So I want the command like var ww. Last time we copied, everybody we copied, right? Var.
Yes, sir. It was
Did we copy? Just we copy the ISO?
We copied.
Yeah, last time.
We didn't do anything, right?
You did copy only the ISO.
We
Just
copied
copy
the
the
admin,
sample.
right?
Okay. I got confused. Okay, let's do it. So mount, run this command. Mount -o loop mnt and whatever is your CentOS file.
Admin.
Oh shoot.
Admin.
Yeah, mount -loop -o. Run this command under admin CentOS. Then do /mnt. Everybody can see that?
But didn't we copy it?
Huh?
We did copy it already.
Yeah, we did copy it, but run this command. Mount -o loop /admin slash, if you hit tab key, automatically the name come up, space slash mnt, run this command. Okay, then we'll go to etc yum dot repo directory, cd to that directory, everyone. Okay? Create the file, remove everything, whatever there. vi base dot repo. Type base.
What was VI?
Base dot repo. Base URL equal file colon slash 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 mnt gpg check equal 0. Save and exit. Cat base here. So this should be the content. So here what we did, we upload our DVD, whatever DVD we use for installation, and we will make it available. If you do like a DFFNH, you will see it is mounted here. It contains all the packages. If you run this command, df-h command, this command, it will show you mnt. So if you go in now, I will go mnt, and under mnt, everybody is in the mnt? Huh? So what we have under mnt?
Centers.
These are the packages. Right? So this is the files and directories we have. CD go in the inside the packages. Everybody there?
Oh, you get into the mount directory.
Yeah, go into the mount under packages. Okay, no worries. CD. Go to slash mnt. Slash mnt. Or don't worry about it. Like don't do go CD or anything. Just CD. Make sure you are at root and copy mnt. Come on. Copy mnt packages lspci what lspci, I'll say like Firefox. Do lsof and copy here. Okay?
It says missing destination.
Something wrong. Check it, man. Try to troubleshoot yourself. What wrong are you doing?
Packages B is high or low? Packages is big B.
Copy, right?
Packages.
Copy into your root directory.
P.
Capital or small?
Capital.
LSOF. And hit tab. First go to your CD. and run the command cp slash mnt slash lsof hit tab. Oh sorry, lsof packages. Oh sorry, packages. Start uppercase P. lsof. You're good, Bhaktiman?
Yes.
Are you sure? Do ls. Do ls. There is a file, right? Okay, very good.
You just start with one.
Roman?
Yeah.
Very good. Azman? lsof.
Slash you first took the ls. So then the file is shows that you have to go to. Then you take the file lsof and then copy. So again same command.
Let him do it by himself. Why you are slow? If you are behind, ask me. How can I know? I thought like everybody is done. I was doing. Right? You can ask me like you need and you need help.
PTC.
Base. Base. What is
CD,
this?
etc. Slash etc. Dot repos. Repos.
You got to copy on the MNT under packages and lsof. Yeah. So
Very no, bro.
he said go back to the CD.
K. Yeah, and that's it.
That's it? What is that?
How are you, Dastan?
What is that?
I don't know.
Good. Did you copy?
Packages on the MNT.
No, copy that file. We will do RPS.
Yeah, what he said is, we always, we're gonna confuse. So what he said, go back to the root.
How did you know about Linux?
He wants to do this.
Study by yourself or somebody?
Our people started studying, so I
you're good?
them.
From people, a friend?
LS?
How long?
Yeah, type it. Yeah.
Just recently, this
Put it in your laptop.
summer.
He just won't copy whatever he knows.
Is the same? Is the same what you're teaching? Because it's Egyptian guy. He has some videos on YouTube. It's Egyptian guy. It's different. When I listen to his videos, it's different.
LS where?
Linux?
Yeah.
Does he teach Linux?
Hit tab.
But different.
You already
You
copied.
focus about different stuff.
I think it
No, it's
depends on
you
the
already copied that.
environment where
I
they
believe
work.
so.
Because they haven't,
Copy.
you
That is
know,
our goal.
I work in Qatar.
where?
Qatar, Gulf area for the government. He says this is my videos, make you
स्पेस किधर कॉपी कर
solve
रहे
the
हैं?
exam.
इधर हमारी प्रेजेंट पहले का वीडियोस नहीं देखे उसके बाद
10
हम
minutes.
कुछ भी नहीं मालूम होगा.
Same right, nothing say, but totally different. When I listen to him, it feels it gives nice background, but it goes through a lot of details.
Okay?
Like
Mustafa,
consider
you're
it
good?
not important.
Yeah. Important thing is copy.
Yeah.
You're good? You're good? You're good?
Yeah.
Good? Okay guys. How do you install the RPM packages? RPM, same command. -I to install. V2 verbose. H to it will print the hashes. It will tell us how many percentage we installed, how many percentage is left. LSOF. Okay, so what it did, it will install the RPM. Okay, everybody installed? Then they can use the command lsof is the command. What is the purpose of that command? We will learn later. Don't worry. Just we are here, check the lsof is installed or not. Which lsof? Okay, where it is reside? USR has been lsof. RPM-QF USR has been lsof. This is the package.
I have a question.
Yes.
I got a different one when I type this RPM-I VH LSF file. So not exactly that. I just want to make sure whether when I say RPM.
Hyphen. Can you see?
Alright, yeah, I missed this.
Listen. If it doesn't work, you are doing something different. So your responsibility is verify.
Check.
I can help you, but that thing you're not gonna learn anything. Go Randan. Hit enter. Good. Yeah, if you use the LSOF, it will come up your name. You are good? Yes. Very good. You are good, Roma?
Yeah.
You are good? LSOF, RPM, RMP, RPM, you use the RMP. Brother. Any girlfriend problem? Huh? How will they do Aja? Did you install it? USR, brother. User, not user. You're good? You're getting this? So basically we install the LSOF package for LSOS command. What is the purpose of LSOS command? We will see learn later. Okay? But this is the way we install the packages. Nurbek, you're good? Are you sure? Okay, so what we did here? Huh? Wait. You already copied, right? What is the problem? Wait. No, sir. Copy. Simple thing, like we don't know the copy. Here under the packages, there is a file.
Give me enough time.
Packages, LSOF.
Okay, why you have here like in 100%?
You don't know the simple concept?
Yeah.
Then how to install the RPM packages? IDH, LSOF. Install.
This week, because we are going to start.
You have 100% right here.
No, you're good.
I have it here.
So it's asking me for it because I already copied it.
Right?
No, it's done.
It's the same.
I also have preparing. She's confusing you, right?
I'm not doing no.
Okay, guys. Come on, guys. So what we did, we install the RPM packages. How do you install? This is the command to install it. Okay. Suppose again, next package I want to install, like I will go and don't do anything, please. Copy MNT packages directory. In the packages directory, basically there is a file called zip. I copy it and I do the RPM -IVH zip.install. So copy another file. Hope everybody understand now, right, what I am doing? Yes, what we are doing here, we are taking the packages from our CD. We open a CD using the mount -o command. When we run this command, what this command will do, I copy this file and I open my CD, DVD under MNT. This is a file, I open it. Then underneath there is a folder called packages, and packages contains all the RPM packages. So I am one by one I am copying and installing, okay, just to practice how we do the packages. Suppose I got the packages, I got the zip packages and okay, we know how to install the packages, right? RPM-IVH. Let's check this package get installed or not. How can I check? RPM-Q zip. Okay, RPM-Q LSOF. So how can we query the package is installed in my system or not? RPM-Q query and space package name. Got it? It is not installed. Maybe you're typing wrong name. It is already installed.
How do you know how many packages? How do you know how many packages?
Package zip is not found. Did you install? No, you just copied here. RPM.
How many packages?
And then you just copied here.
You didn't install. RPM.
Which one you want? You did it? You checked it out? How you checked it?
Not installed. I think you installed. That is installed now. Now if you do like RPM LSOM, it is installed. Got it? Chill this? I think you didn't install. Install it again. RPM-IVH. Have got it. You're good? So this is the way we can see the package installed in my system or not. Okay? Okay. You have a question? Down? So I think you didn't install. Yeah, you didn't install the zip package. RPM- Where you copied? Where you copied that file? You didn't copy. You first copied. Packages. I'm copying first this here, then RPM, IVH, zip. Then run the command.
Just do anything.
Okay. Everybody understanding what I am doing?
Yep.
So how can I install the packages? Just RPM-IVH. Even I don't have to copy it. So what I can do, I want to install some package like RPM-IVH. I know where is the package located, MNT, packages and parted. What I did here, I give the whole path. I don't have to copy. So you can, wherever the RPM exists, run the RPM and give the full path. It will install it. Now if I do like a parted, RPM-Q parted. Now it will show. Suppose you don't know the package name. You want to check the package is installed or not. But you know that your package name has a path. Right? Your package name has a path. So, if I say like a RPM-QA, you will see whole packages, whatever the packages installed in your system. What is the command? RPM-QA. Then I type grep part. So, what it will give me? There is a parted package. So, this is the way another way you can check the package is installed or not if you don't know the full package name. Okay? So what is the command? rpm-qa, it will list out all the packages.
Installed.
All installed packages. So rpm-qa, it will these are all the packages installed in my system. Okay, so far what we learned? We learned how to query, we learned how to install, how to check which file belongs to which packages, and we also learned each package belongs to how many files belongs to each package. And now we also learn how to install it, right? How to uninstall it. I want to uninstall the package zip. rpm hyphen. First I am checking the package is there or not. Zip. Oh, it's there. I don't need it. Let me uninstall. Hyphen E. Hyphen E installed for
Eliminate.
erase. Again I will check again. Nope.
What if we use RM?
RM hyphen again E LSOF. Remove. Then Q again. Sorry. LSOF. No package installed. So now we know how to install the package, how to uninstall the package. Yes, sir.
Can you use RM to remove that package? RM only.
RM?
Yeah.
RM command. He's talking about the RM command like
RM remove? Means command also remove?
Yeah, if you want to
No,
remove.
he said
that,
RM
you
hyphen F to delete all the.
Wait, let me explain. What?
RM dash zip file.
Yeah.
So it will remove the zip file,
Yes.
but it will not uninstall it. Will just remove.
It is uninstall the zip. It is uninstall the zip. It is, when I say RM space hyphen E LSOF, it will uninstall the LSOF. Erase, it will erase it from the system, the package. Okay? Mustafa, you have some doubt?
What about the directory?
I thought he was
Does it-
asking something.
No. It is whole package. It is installed or removed.
Because when you did the last one, it says no file or directory exists over there, but you still copied that file,
Which one?
which was.
So here basically I am showing how to install the RPM packages, how to remove the RPM packages. We only install the packages with the .rpm. Okay. Now the problem is, okay, RPM, but I have a 10 servers. I have to install RPM packages in 10 servers. What I have to do? Huh?
RPM files and 10 services you install.
What I have to do?
The destination tin server. I put tin
I
server
have to
on one
install
file.
zip and LSOF package in 10 servers.
I put tin server in one file.
Huh?
I put tin server in one file, and I make this file destination.
How? Basically, I have to copy these packages, right?
Yeah.
Copy this package into those servers and install it, right? Again, now the problem is, I want to install the Firefox. I will copy the Firefox, MNT, packages, Firefox, x86. I copied in my root, then I try to install. Let's see what happened. What are you seeing here?
You need a file called Firefox.
I gave the file called Firefox, sir. Can you see this? Read the problem, what is saying? Failed. Dependencies. What is saying? System bootmark is needed for Firefox. What it means? There is a package called system bootmarks needed for this, and Red Hat index.html I needed. Okay, let's copy the system bootmark. System this, copy MNT, again packages, system boot. You cannot see? Sorry. So So rpm hyphen show me the dependency depth and Firefox. Oh, not install. It will install. It needed system bookmark, right? Why it is not there? MNT packages, system, there is a dependency issue, right? I have to copy those packages and install it. Again, I want to install the HTTP and rpm-ivh. I know under MNT I have the HTTP. Packages, HTTPD. Okay? What is the problem here? Again, it is failed, right? HTTP tools I need, RPM is needed, this needed, that is. What is the problem? It is a problem with the dependency. When I try to install one packages, it will complain, no, this package depends on this, first install this, then install this. Right? So, if I have 100 servers, I am trying to install it, it is pain, right?
Yeah.
So, my God, dependencies are, right? So, to come up with this problem, basically, we use the RPM to install. But dependency issue and centralized management issue, so it is come up with the YUM. We have the software called YUM. So basically YUM resolve this dependency issue. Now I want to install the Firefox. So whatever you guys do, but YUM needs the client configuration. It has to know where is your packages located. YUM basically reads this file. Which file it's read? No, it's a repo data. It will tell YUM what RPM packages this directory has. This packages directory has. It reads which directory? Repo data. So wherever the repo data directory is located, you have to give the path as a YUM client. The YUM is work in the client and server. Okay? So what we did, where is the client configuration for YUM? etc yum.repo. Everybody did create this file, right? So basically what you are saying here, this is the name of the repository. You can give any name. It doesn't have to be base, prod, development, whatever you want to give. Then base URL file //mnt. You are saying repo data, all the packages here. Then GPG check equal to 0. Means GP is some authentication check. So I am saying don't check anything. Now it's already configured. If I say I want to install the Firefox, YUM install Firefox. Boom. So many dependency it has. Now it is asking me. Finally, can you see?
Yep.
You can see, I know. So it is asking, so totally 78 packages needed to install the Firefox. So it is asking me, do you want to install or not? I say install. Why? Now what it's doing, it is installing all the dependency packages.
All the 78 packages.
78 packages. These are the packages dependents. It is nice, right?
Yeah.
Now you guys run the yum install, yum space install Firefox.
So if no YUM, we don't have to use RPM, or we still need.
Basically, YUM uses the RPM, but it will resolve the dependency and give it to the RPM one by one. So complete.
So
run this command.
what is it installed in repo data file?
it is installed from the repo data file.
Oh, okay. So repo data.
So now, if I have to install anything, I have to do the same thing in all the servers. Huh? Suppose if I want to install the Firefox in one server, so I have to copy all the CD and configure, do whatever we did.
Maybe you can give it the one command.
No, you can build in one machine, so everyone could
Yes.
switch that.
So what we can do now, what we can going to do. So the you are working as well?
No.
Huh?
No.
Yes, she
Yeah.
No, you asked me. I think you asked me about my work. There's nothing.
So here now the RPM problems with the RPM. If you want to install with the RPM, you have to copy the RPM here and install it. Again, if it is your RPM depend on the dependencies, you have to copy again the dependent RPM and install it. It's a pain. But in the real time, what we can do, we can set up one centralized Yum server, Yum repository. Right? Whatever the servers I have, I configure the client to the servers. Okay? Whenever I need any packages, I just run simple one command. I don't have to worry about all these things. Okay? Just I have to add. So suppose if I build a new box, first thing I will do, configure the Yum client. So what is the Yum client configuration? Yum client configuration is etc yum dot repo repos dot d directory, right? We create the file called base dot. So you can create any file dot repo. It automatically identify, but extension has to be a dot repo. Okay? In the clients. For here, our local system, we have the file in the local system. It is not on the network. We didn't put the network yet, right? So I want to install HTTP. HTTP has a lot of dependency. So I said, okay, I first install and configure the local. Then what I put here, you have to put any name here. Repository name, base. It has to be in the square bracket. Then give the base URL. I am saying that's the file, colon / is the syntax, slash is the /mnt is the path, and gpg check equal to 0. I am not checking any authentication. Encryption authentication. If you use the encryption, you have to enable it. But I'm not doing anything. So this is that's why my Yum, whenever I run the Yum command, it is checking in the repo data directory in which MNT. So now what we are going to do, we are going to install the Yum HTTP. Do the Yum install HTTP. First check HTTPD is installed using the Yum or not. How can I check? So how can I check? Yum list grep HTTPD. So what is still saying? HTTPD, it is
missing in configuration.
HTTP is in the CentOS repository. So I said rpm-q httpd. It is not installed. Let install. I don't want anything to be prompt. So here I am saying -y. Just install it.
Yes.
I don't care about the prompt. So what happened? It will automatically installing. So everybody please install the. So why am I installing the HTTP? Because I need some services. I have to share all this content whatever the content I have here over the network, means whoever Linux machine is on my network, they should able to access this content. So how I am sharing? I need HTTPD. So just install the HTTP, everyone. Then I will tell you what we do next. Yum install. What is the command? It won't prompt you anything. It's just directly installed. It doesn't matter where you are. It will install. It won't copy. It will install in the system. So you're saying if I am here, if I install it, it will copy here.
Yes.
No. It won't copy here.
No, it will not copy. It will install.
It will install. It will install. So you can see like which HTTPD. It already installed. If I do like RPM FMQ, HTTPD is installed. Physically you won't see any file, RPM file. Garage shell, it doesn't matter where you are, you can install. Okay? You are expecting some file here, right? HTTP will copy here. No. Got it?
How does know the destination when we install the?
It's know what to do, but I will cover later. Okay? Now, like we have time, right? Still, slowly, right? If I cover fast, you guys didn't understand. So I will come to that point. What are the files important? When I run the RPM command, where it is reading the information, these are all the important things. Sometimes what happens at the work, your RPM database is corrupted. You have to fix it. How can you fix it? I will show you. Okay? So here, what is the next thing you guys going to do? Make dir -p var www HTML CentOS. Run this command. After that, run this command. So basically, we are creating the directory under the var www HTML CentOS directory and copy all the MNT content there. What the MNT has? MNT has our CD content. So what I am doing here?
You create a.
What is our shipments?
Everything.
Everything. So -r, if it is a directory or files, whatever, copy everything from MNT to CentOS. Clear?
Yeah.
Very good. Then what I am going to do? Start service HTTPD start.
But after this command, CentOS, like the cursor is not coming. So you.
Yeah, it will still copy.
Oh, still copy.
After copy, run this command. Like a chk config HTTPD on. So what I am doing here? Can we verify your repository is up over the network or not? I will start my browser and I type HTTP /192.168.1.110/CentOS. You got a page? Come on, man, you should.
Whatever. Any browser. Okay, go to the Internet Explorer. Then type your IP.
Those who didn't getting the information page, do the command service, turn off the firewall, IP tables, stop, and run the command chkconfig, IP tables off. Okay? Then refresh. Okay, if you guys not seeing the page, run these commands. Resume our video. Then what we are going to do, etc yum.repo directory, we will go back to our same client configuration file and we open a file vi base repo. So whatever the URL we type in our browser, we will delete this one and we type that URL 192.168.1.110/CentOS. Okay, do it everyone. Run this command. Yum clean space all.
110.
Yum, then run the yum list command. Yes, yum space clean space all. Then run this command. Yum space list.
Now clear it.
So now it is configured. Okay, so our yum repository centrally is configured. Suppose lspci command is not working, right? Let's work about the yum. I need another half an hour. Okay. So lspci command, lspci, it is there. I need that command. So how can I check what it belongs to which package? Yum provides */lspci. So it will tell me, this yum will tell me which package I have to install. Which packages I have to install? SB and lspci, I have to install PCI utils. Right? That's another beauty of yum. What command I run here? Yum provides */lspci. I need this command. Which package I have to install? The yum giving me, okay, this package has this file. Now I can install. Yum install PCI utils. Okay, it's installed. Next thing is lspci. It's installed. It will tell me what PCI slots, what installed in my PCIs. Next thing is, okay, please concentrate here. Forget about it. You can practice at home. So next thing, this is the beauty of yum. Then I want like man pages. There is a man pages. I need the man pages. Every command has a manual. Okay? It will tell you what option is what option meant for what. So there is no man pages in my system. I think your system too. Yum install man. Now it will install. So every command has a man pages. man. Now it will tell you all the man pages, all the information about the command. Whatever the command you use, you can review the manual for that command. So, you know, if you do like space bar, again it will go down. If you want to quit, Q. Man LSPCI. LSPCI lists all the PCI devices. PCI, what option is for what? It's everything will tell you. So man is the another command. It will help you to read the information about the command. Okay. Next thing is PWD. Man PWD. Print, name the current working directory. So this is the way man will have. So if you need any command is not exist, you can check the package name also. Okay. Next thing is I want to install yum install LSOF. Install. Then I want to remove it. Yum remove LSOF. So if you want to install, you can install, and if you want to remove, you can remove. And next thing is, if you want to upgrade, you can do upgrade. Yum upgrade if any package you want to upgrade, but it has to be in the yum repo. Next thing is where the RPM database resides. Whenever I install, where it is get updated. Wherever I remove, where it is get removed. So it is get updated in cd var lib rpm. This is whatever you are saying hyphen db01020304. This is the main database file. When I run the rpm hyphen qa command, it will report me from. It will read this file. Whenever I add, basically yum uses the RPM. Okay. So whenever I install any packages, it's update these files. Whenever I remove these packages, it will update this file. It get removed from these packages. So now, suppose my RPM database corrupted, I deleted. It's reporting, right? If I do a Q, it's reporting all the RPM packages. So now, what I did here?
Delete.
I deleted. Now I am running RPM QA. Again, install. Oh, okay. So some reason your RPM database get deleted. How can you rebuild? RPM hyphen rebuild DB. So it will rebuild your RPM database if the RPM database corrupted. What is the command? RPM hyphen rebuild. Okay. So this is the way it is worked. This is the RPM database, and we set up the yum. And finally, what we will do? You will start. You have two boxes in your yum, right? How many boxes you have in your VMware? I will start another box, whatever. Why it is showing power off? I start this. Whatever the other box you have to configure the yum client to your yum server. What is the yum client configuration? etc/etc yum dot repo dot d directory. Again you have to go there and create the file base.repo or prod.repo, that.repo, yourname.repo, myname.repo, whatever. So again I open my I'm just configuring. If I do yum list, it's showing error, right? It's not configured, but so what I will do, I will go to etc yum dot repo. I do the client configuration. Whatever the file you have, just delete it and create the base dot repo file, and in that base dot repo file just update the base and base URL equal http 192.168.1.110/CentOS gpg check equal 0. Then yum clean all, it will clean up the old cache. Then I do the yum list. Now it is building the cache again. Now I got it. So if I want to install any software here, so basically installing any software, where it is contact? It is contact to my yum server. So suppose I want to install the Firefox here. Yum, just I have to run the command yum install Firefox. Boom. I don't have to worry about anything. I build my yum server. So, you know, you are not going to delete the server whatever we build. Okay? Don't touch that server. Now I am installing from which box? Other yum box. It is contacting my yum server. Okay? Complete. I want to install LSOF. Yum install LSOF. It's already there. So I configure the client also. Okay? If you want, you can sit and configure. If you need any help, I will do it. But I highly recommend don't leave your class unless you configure other box to contact your yum server. Clear?